You ever notice how the moment someone starts ignoring you, your first instinct is to chase harder? You want to send another message, ask them what changed, try to fix a silence that was never yours to carry. But the truth is, the more you beg for attention, the less your presence is felt. When attention is forced, it loses its value. You do not need to beg someone to notice you. You do not need to remind anyone of your worth. You need to step back. You need to stop forcing connection. Stop feeding a bond that survives only because you keep carrying it alone. Because when effort becomes one-sided, that is not love being tested. It simply means the other person is no longer interested. And when distance keeps growing, that is not confusion. That is your answer. Most people make the same mistake when they feel ignored. They think love means trying harder, so they send the extra text. They explain themselves again. They become softer, more patient, more available, hoping that trying harder will make them care again. But the more you chase someone who is comfortable ignoring you, the less they fear losing you. Your constant presence becomes predictable, and what becomes predictable is rarely appreciated. That is why pulling back changes everything. The moment your energy is no longer guaranteed, the dynamic shifts. At first, they think nothing is different. They expect you to reach out like always. But when you stay silent longer than they expected, they start to notice. And slowly, they begin to wonder why. They start noticing the missing attention they once ignored. Because absence has a way of making value visible when presence was taken for granted. Every person who ignores you goes through the same stages. First, they assume you will keep showing up. Then, they notice the quiet. And finally, they feel the loss of access they thought they would never lose. They start checking for your message. They replay the care you once gave so freely. And by the time they realize it, your absence is what they feel the most. That is when the lesson lands. Not when you argue, not when you demand answers, not when you beg to be seen. Real power begins the moment their silence no longer controls your emotions. When they can no longer pull reactions from you, they are left alone with the echo of their own distance. Nothing hits harder than losing someone who once gave you everything. This is where most people get it wrong. They think pulling back is punishment. It is not punishment, it is peace. Detachment is not bitterness. Detachment is clarity. It is recognizing that anyone who truly values you will never require you to beg for basic attention. You are not being cold. You are simply refusing to abandon yourself to keep someone else comfortable. You do not need revenge when someone ignores you. You do not need to make them jealous. You do not need to post for validation or create games to be missed. Instead, you simply move differently. You grow so deeply into your own peace that their silence loses the power to disturb you. Nothing hits harder than seeing someone you ignored become unreachable in their peace. So if they ignore you, do not beg. Do not chase. Do not break your dignity trying to force connection where effort is no longer mutual. Let them sit with the silence they created. Let them feel the absence they once overlooked. And when they finally realize what your presence meant, do not look back, because by then, your peace should already be out of their reach.